So guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I'd also like to say thanks for all the subscriptions and the followers, and take time to comment and everything. So what do you want to tell them?
Give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe and like it. And hit that bell. Hit the notification.
Really?
Yeah. And we're going to have a party if we get to 1 million subscribers.
Wow, you guys are so much better at this than I am. Hey guys, my daughter Kara wanted to help me make a video. Kara, how old are you?
7.5.
She's 7.5. Can you believe that? 7.5. She wanted to help make a video because Bella gets to help out on some videos and stuff. So what we're going to do today, hopefully before we lose light and you can still see all this, is she wanted to show off a new tool, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the thing with this new tool is, it is brand new, still in the box, hasn't been undone, is this is a new tool. I can't even speak right now. You got me all flustered, Kara. Why'd you do that? Anyways, thing about this tool is I keep this set around always. I have one in my main toolbox, and this one is going to a mechanic at our shop that needs an organized set of tools. You can untape it. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to cut it some. So let's just start right here. Let's cut that off. And we're going to go over here. Oh, you're over there trying to cut it up, Hart?
Oh, what?
Jenna, you want to help cut that off? Sure. Carefully, step back. Yeah. This is Jenna. Jenna, how old are you?
11, almost 12.
And she just jumps in the middle of everything.
And
don't you?
It.
Doesn't ruin it. Just carefully. Is it all unboxed? Ready to open up? Okay, now secure the knife.
Secure.
Good.
Oh.
All right. Now, Carrie, you want to try to unbox this thing?
Okay. We kind of need the sides
okay.
cut off.
Nope, we don't need sides cut off. Can you grab the red thing in there and pull?
I'm going.
There you go. You're getting it. Pull hard. Oh, there you go. Hold on, don't pull too far. You don't want to take it. Looky there. Now set it across the top. All right. Now let's read this. Which way does it say lift? Oh, it's upside down. Let's flip it up. You want to try to flip it?
Me?
Yeah. Show everybody how strong you are.
It's going to fall.
And this little one over here, Anna. How old are you, Anna?
6.
6. With a broken elbow. Yeah. Still wants to try to do everything.
Will this cut this?
It will cut it. Just be careful. Cut away from you. There you go. Get underneath of it and a little pop.
Oh,
there you go.
Did pop.
Yay. All right. So show us how to open this. Hold on. There you go. Slow down. Anna's doing one side. All right. Now, you got to make sure. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, what is this?
Oh my God, that's so shiny.
So what is this, kiddos?
It's a box. It's a box with tools that you have to use.
So what this is Tekton's 3/8 set. This has both shallows and long, all chrome. It has a ratchet. Can you pull the ratchet out, Kara?
This?
Yeah, there you go. Go give it a pull. They're in there tight. Bring that over here. Let's show that ratchet off. Okay.
Ratchet? I love these.
Okay, show it up. How do you turn it forward and backwards?
So this is.
Where's the selector switch at? There you go. Nice and slow.
It looks like it's forwards.
Slow down. You got to angle it to the camera so they can see what you're doing.
So this is actually forwards. This is backwards. Looks like this goes forward.
Okay.
But
now, do you know how to put a socket on there? Let's pick a socket. What socket we want to pick? Let's see how easy that. Oh, what's this one say? Oh, what's that? What one's that? Can you see it? Let's show it off. Show the markings and stuff. We're losing light and your hand's in the way. We're showing it off. Oh, can you see it? What number is that?
7.
7. Okay, you know how to put that on there? Now with this here, you have to push this button on the back while you put that on. Can you figure out how to do that?
It's hard.
It is hard.
Oh, I got it.
You got it. Yeah? All the way on. Can you pull it back off? Nope, because the button's on there. Yeah, there you go. So the button has to be depressed. Put it on there.
There.
Whoa, throwing it around.
What's all the way on?
It's going to be banged up now.
Uh-oh.
So, let's show off this set a little bit, Kara. What number is that there?
6.
So it goes from 6mm all the way up, nice and slow.
24. 24.
To 24. Really? 24mm. And it does it in both deep as well as shallow sockets. Now, standard goes from, do you know what that is, guys? What number is that one? 1/4. Or, as people say, a quarter. 1/4. All the way up to
1.
1 inch.
1 hole.
So it goes from a quarter to 1 inch without skipping a beat.
What about this?
That is kind of the jewel to this entire set. Look at them go, guys. They're just so interested in tools.
I will hold it. No, you got to
So
hold
what
it.
is that?
I own it. I saw one at the shop, but I kind of forgot what it was.
Yeah?
Flips.
No,
Wait,
that is what is called a breaker bar. So it has a 3/8 breaker bar. Now, something kind of interesting about this breaker bar is there's some differences. Let's point them out. Is one, this attaches on the outside versus on the inside. Some people will say this is much stronger attachment.
But this is.
What is that?
I don't know.
You don't know what that is?
No.
Jenna's going to help put that back away. Show where it goes, Jenna.
Watch out, you lefty. Righty. Lefty. I got it.
Okay, Kara, what you got?
I got this tool that flips.
It comes with a swivel.
U-joint.
A U-joint. People call it different things. So it's basically where you can attach it to the ratchet here. And then you put your socket there, and you can reach different angles with the one tool. It also comes with a couple of different extensions.
I think I got this time, did I? Comes with a 6-inch
Extension.
And a 3-inch
Extension. Oh, look at you go. Oh, there you go.
See?
Put a socket on the end of it too. What socket you want to grab?
Like 6.
A 6mm.
What's this?
Show them how it works. You gotta put a little bit of force. You gotta line them up. There you go. Now push it in. There you go.
I got it!
Now, can that shake off there? Try giving it a shake. Let's see it. It's not shaking off. Well, that's pretty good. Nice and sturdy. And a 3-inch extension on the ratchet. Calm down. People want to be able to watch us, so you can't be too rambunctious.
I'm gonna put a 20 millimeter on the
Millimeter.
meter on these.
Yep. So a nice organized set. This is something that is easy to give to a new mechanic to put in your car to be able to take almost anywhere.
Like if you're on the road going to St. Louis and your car breaks down, you could just fix it.
Yep. Calm down. This kit is currently like $125. Pretty affordable. I wouldn't necessarily call it cheap, but with Tekton's warranty and repair, it's pretty easy to, if there is a problem, they mail stuff directly to you. You shoot them a picture, and it's no issue at all. So it makes it nice and simple. I've not broken a socket yet. They hold up well. I run them in the shop full time. I have another mechanic that runs Tekton's, and now we will have a third mechanic that I think he can break a crowbar in a marshmallow factory. But we'll see how they hold up with him. That'll be a true test of how things go. But is there a name on the top of this box is what this is?
Oh!
Tekton. Oh, here we go. Can we read that? 3/8, quarter to 1 inch drive, and 6 to 24 millimeter.
That's
I don't know if I can see that or not because y'all are in my way. But we'll try to get it all set up.
You got this.
So, all in all, pretty solid set. Hey, you two, why do you guys argue all the time? Why?
And also
Bella,
something.
what are you doing?
I'm brushing the water.
And something
You're
cool.
brushing water?
And something cool about this tool. It could play music.
That's kind of annoying.
No.
And hard on tools. I don't like that. That bothers me. I'm not cool with that. They're sockets.
Just smaller sockets.
They're the shallows versus the deeps.
Tiny.
So, okay guys,
And these are the deep.
what do you say?
Like,
Right.
and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. If we get
Yeah.
to 1 million, we have a party. 1
A party?
million subscribers.